Maxdecal presents a new product that reaches the home industry by releasing the D.I.Y craft series. The latest product range presented by Maxdecal is here to meet your need who like to be creative with visual ideas such as printing stickers, logo stickers, animated stickers, mosaic stickers, and product label stickers. Maxdecal white glossy inkjet photo paper sticker coated with cast paper. The printout will be of higher quality on a white background. Inkjet photo paper stickers also have a strong and even adhesion and a glossy effect. Maxdecal D.I.Y series using water-based adhesive technology is very suitable to be applied to sticker material that has a water-based coating, so that it makes the sticker more waterproof, water resistant. Maxdecal D.I.Y series can be printed for Epson, Canon, HP Brother, and other printers. Roll holder made of sturdy fleet material on the left and right, and with a sturdy aluminum roll holder that has a long durability. You can adjust the roll holder from 15 cm to 33 cm according to your needs. D.I.Y stickers can be printed using dye ink, pigment ink, or paper ink, and all other variants of water-based ink. Maxdecal also launched water-based inks suitable for Epson All series and Eco Tank printers.